Operating the oven. With the left knob, simply turn the knob to find your selected setting. In this case, we'll use fan forced. The temperature is preset at 180 degrees, but you can override that temperature at any time. In this case, we'll adjust it to 190 degrees and press go. The oven temperature will flash until the 190 degrees is reached, and that will stay solid. If at any point you would like to set this oven to go off at a specific time, say you need to pop out to the shops and you don't want the oven to continue, with the left control you can adjust the timer and say I'm going to set this oven to run for 25 minutes, and then at 25 minutes lock in. That oven will run for 25 minutes and then shut off automatically. To stop or pause, press the pause and press again to stop the oven.